So we're gonna light this tree up. We're gonna put lots of lights in this tree. One thing that's smart to do with this tree is when we do a tree like this, is to run our extension cords, an extension cord up through here as we're tying this on, and that way we can jump off of this different places, and that way if a section goes bad, we are able to keep that other sections on. So if we just ran it all off of one plug down here, something goes bad, then we would have to do it another time. So we'll probably run this extension cord up this one, since this one's got 2 or 3 different branches, and then that way we'll be able to power all of that as it goes. As I'm going to come up here, I'm going to let me go get 3 or 4 strings. I'm actually just going to tie this right here for right now, and then that way as I'm running this up, I can go ahead and get me a zip plug down here. And I don't want to get it in the water, but I want to start here, and that way I can put me a zip plug in right there. So go ahead and bring me a female here, and we're going to put a female down here at the bottom. And as we wrap up this tree, you'll be able to see that we'll be able to make it nice and neat as we wrap up this tree here. So pull this step down here. We're going to put a zip cord somewhere right around in this area. We'll put a female right here. And try to just hit in the middle of where you were before. Yep, perfect. Hit in the middle of those, that way it's all looks so.
But you kind of got to make them look good and go out there and get it done.